So I was thinking it might be fun to make a gingerbread house. So what if we decided to up the ante a bit and did a gingerbread palace? How about gingerbread Buckingham Palace? How about gingerbread Buckingham Palace out of the worst gingerbread recipe?
Okay.
I'll make the gingerbread and the dough. You put it together.
Pressure's on. I'll do my best.
I have confidence in you.
I don't.
I think we can do it. So this worst recipe is actually a Bobby Flay recipe. This is probably the first and only time I'm ever gonna double a worst recipe. We need a lot of gingerbread to make a house, a palace. Standard is cinnamon, ginger, but we're not reinventing the wheel yet. That's coming. So first we've got some white pepper. Now here's where Bobby goes a little off the rails. A nice healthy heaping spoon of mustard powder. Not just one, two heaping spoons of mustard powder. Just to make it weird. I've never had mustard in a cookie before. We got some cloves, baking soda, and some salt. I'm not very confident I could beat Bobby Flay, but I might be able to beat him at gingerbread.
Hey, as long as it stands up, I'm happy.
That's what he said. Okay, I think the little mixer's done as much as it can do. Time to go by hand.
How's that feeling?
Yeah, it feels dry. It says it will be sticky. I have my doubts. I might have to put some extra milk in here. It's just so dry. Okay, new project. How about we just make a gingerbread desert? Keep adding a little moisture here. Yeah, I'm not confident that I could make this into a castle yet.
The only castle we'll be making of this is a sandcastle.
Now I'm confident I can beat Bobby Flay at gingerbread. You let me know the time and the place, Bobby, I'll be there. So that needed basically an extra cup of milk to work. Definitely not enough with 4 tablespoons. This would have been completely unusable. As it's gotten more moist, the mustard has become more prominent. Maybe it'll bake off. I don't know. Okay, so I'm ready to build the blueprint for Buckingham Palace out of gingerbread. I've got my cardboard, cutting mat, and a few tools to use, and I'm gonna do my best because I am not an architect. Cue the montage. Well, thanks to the addition of some milk, it looks like gingerbread. It wouldn't have been usable before, so we're gonna call that recipe real bad. Oh my goodness, what's happening in there? They didn't spread, but they really rose like bread. I guess it's really gingerbread, isn't it?
I think we've just amplified this construction to expert level.
This dough is exceptionally hard to work with. Each piece, when I roll it out, it ends up shrinking. Yeah, I've tried letting it rest, and that hasn't really helped either. We're just gonna have to work with it. We're done, I guess. We just gotta bake these.
We're ready to build. But first, we gotta taste a little bit of this gingerbread.
I'm gonna call him Bobby.
Not the gumdrop buttons! Oh, off with your head. No.
Does it taste like mustard?
It just tastes really weird. It's closer to bread than it is to gingerbread because it's not very sweet.
Oh.
I'm no expert builder, and these pieces aren't quite like Legos like I hoped. So we'll see how this goes. No promises, but Buckingham Palace, here we go. Stay. Here we go. Okay.
Very nice.
A little seeping through the window there, but it's fine. We'll just take some
There you go.
licorice and
Yeah.
delicious. Props to all the bakers out there though, because this is an arm workout. You're gonna be a pro by the end of this.
You will be. You're doing a good job.
As best as we can with this wonky gingerbread. Also, I'm building this backwards so you guys can see what's going on, so makes it just that much more fun and that much more challenging.
Nice. It's not that bad.
The Brits would be proud, right?
I don't know.
Bam.
Gotta say, you're killing it.
I'm killing something. Yeah, it looks great, right?
It's beautiful. There you go. Wow.
They're
Lovely.
perfect. We got a gingerbread sandwich.
Do you want to take a bite?
Oh.
Oh,
We'll add the roofs on last.
yeah.
We might just need to... There we go. Add lots of icing.
This is like Buckingham Palace by Picasso.
I won't even give it that much credit.
Very nice.
We're stacked. We're double stacking.
Oh, beautiful.
It's fine. It's totally fine. It's getting a little silly in here, so I think we should adjust the hat.
Oh. That's zany.
But wait, there's more. This goes on like that. There we go.
Uh-huh.
It's coming together.
It actually helps. It does help make it look a little bit more like Buckingham Palace.
Oh no.
There we go.
I think it's time to decorate the rest. So I got my lovely little bowl of decorations here.
Oh, very nice.
They also have a nice flag right on top. There we go. There's our little
Very
flag.
nice.
We'll do one on all of them. Look kind of
Oh.
cute. And a couple little guys up here who are up to no good.
Well, shouldn't they be in front? Those little guards that they
Oh
have at
yeah,
Buckingham Palace?
yeah. The ones that don't talk or anything.
That's right.
Hey, at least like if you told somebody that this was Buckingham Palace, they'd be like, yeah, I kind of see it. And we'll take those. Now, it has like these little...
It has these little Swedish berries on them.
That's right. The Swedes have invaded. It's all about symmetry, right?
That's right. This is a very symmetrical piece.
Now I know how the people on Nailed It felt.
Oh, very nice.
You know what? I'm looking at the palace here, and to be honest, I don't even see any differences. It's a spitting image.
Maybe we should send it to the royal family on a Christmas card.
That's right. They get it. I mean, it just looks so close to it. It just... How would they not? I think we are calling it there. This is our masterpiece. Let Bobby Flay know what you think of his gingerbread. Let us know what you think down in the comments. And happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thanks for watching.